All right, so people are asking me, when do I refinance a VA loan? Good question. The VA IRRL loan, which is interest rate reduction loan, can be done 210 days after the closing of the previous VA loan. You have to have that for 210 days. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is a hard VA rule. Any of you veterans know hard VA rules. They are what they are. Government regs. Okay, so if you meet that threshold, when to do it? Depends on the size and depends on the cost. We've got extremely low cost and low overhead and low interest rate VA loans. So if you've done a purchase in the last year and a half, 2 years, there's probably a scenario I could save you money with the IRRL loan, do a refinance, and we're going to address the closing costs up front. That's what most lenders don't want to talk about. They hope it slips in there. They put that loan balance. You got a $300,000 loan. They got $7,000 worth of cost. Now you owe $307,000. So when you go to sell it, you just lost $7,000, and you have to pay interest on that $7,000. So you have to pay that back 2.5 times. So that's old. It's the old school banking mortgage trick. Hey, just don't look over here. Don't look at the guy behind the curtain. Well, you know what? People are not stupid these days. They got the internet. They know that the closing costs add on there. And if you don't talk about it, you're going to make them mad. I'm the kind of customer, I always say this in my other videos, I wake up half upset or half pissed off. And if you screw with my money, I'm totally pissed. So I don't treat you the way I want somebody to treat me. If somebody does that with me, I'm done with them. They try to hide something. You lie to me by omission. Yeah, you didn't tell a lie, but you did tell a lie. Because if you hid something that is obvious, that impacts the transaction, that should be communicated clearly. And by the way, the state of Texas, TDSML, Texas Department of Savings and Mortgage Loan, requires that we as lenders communicate that with you. So I don't like it when people do that to me. I know you don't like to do it to you. So all I got to do, and I joke about this in my other videos, is just tell the truth, and I look like a hero compared to these other lenders. We're going to talk about closing costs up front, and we're going to compare the benefits of the closing costs with the costs and see if it can make sense. An IRRL loan, you've got no appraisal. I don't even need a credit check. I just need to see that you made your mortgage payments on time. I just need your insurance. I need no income docs and no asset docs, because you're going to walk in with no cash to close. So no asset docs, no income docs, no appraisal. All I need is your insurance, and all I need is the name and phone number of your agent, and I can close that loan and get it done and save you money. You get 1 month off, and then you get the next month. Call me about your IRRL loans, IRRL, otherwise known as interest rate reduction loan with VA. We'd love to help you. And as always, our VA rates are lower because we don't move our margins up. Unlike other lenders, you can do quick Googles on people that have paid hundreds of millions of dollars in fines, and these are some famous companies. I'll leave them out of this video because I don't want to get sued, but you know who they are. Google it, you'll see it. We don't do that. That's why our VA rates are lower than conventional. And if a lender doesn't do that, that means they're overcharging veterans. Numbers don't lie, nor do we. Give us a call. We'll run your numbers. We'll go from there.